I think a lot of the bathrooms, classrooms, there's some stuff that could definitely be worked on.
I can actually say my own personal classroom. I am currently located in the basement with all of the water pipes running through my classroom. We make it work. It used to be the old computer lab. But because of that, I hear like all the clunking of the water, the ferns running.
Accessibility to certain things, like I teach science, and having the resources of sinks and propane burners and just access to those. We often have to go at different places to get those, or share rooms for that. Let alone there's other aspects where we just need more rooms for standard mandates for testing and whatnot. Facility wise, I've coached numerous sports through the years and worked with kids. Having a more elaborate outside space is very important. And also I teach a lot of sciences that are out in nature, and so I would want to spread out more and have access to that. I don't feel that we have all of that here, sports fields and that outside aspect that we should have for an Adirondack school.